All right, let me see. Only 10 are have joined yet.
Mom, please share the screen.
Which screen? Shavina, you will get that work of subtraction facts in this DWT. Sarah Khan, no playtime. Sarah. Sarah. Okay. Who's going to tell me what have you learned in English so far? Then I will play a video for you all in this period. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Satvik. Yes, Satvik. ये कौन बोल रहा है? Who is speaking?
He and she words.
Okay, he and she words. Okay, good, Satvik. Hands down. Now, someone will tell me what are he and she words. Who's going to tell me what are he and she words? Yes, Shanti. No. Who's speaking out of the turn? Aryan, I will mute you all. And I will not let you all to open your mic then. Aryan, if you open your mic like this, I will mute everyone. Without raising your hands, you will not answer. You should remember what I used to do. I was not there for 15, 20 days. That does not mean that you have forgotten. Have you forgotten what I used to say? Have you forgotten? You remember everything? Ma'am used to listen to you only if you raise hand, right? Yes, very good. Yes, Prisha, tell me.
He was boys and she was girls.
Okay, you mean to say these. He words boys and she words girls. This is Prisha and this is Aryan. Rajveer, Nishant. Okay, Prisha, Sara, Shanvi, Trisha, Naisha, Ritisha, Charvi, Hanishi, Arvi, Inaya. Okay, okay. Hi everyone. Hi girls. And this is he word. Rajvi, Satvik, Aryan, Nishant, Aran, Yuktakshar, Abdullah, right? Okay. Hi boys. Abdullah, open your camera. Okay, good. So somebody's mic is on. Whose mic is on? Mic's off. Good. See, such a less strength in this period. How will I tell you what will I do today? Charvi, क्या हो गया? चीटी काटी? Hmm? Hmm? Is there an ant in inside your ear? Is there an ant? What is an ant? Ant. Okay. Anaya, please join the class on time, before time. Last session also, the first session also, you joined very late. Anaya Jaiswal. Please join the class before time. Don't be late. 1 minute, 2 minutes is considered. 1 minute, 2 minutes is considered, not 5-7 minutes. Okay. Aryan, What do you have to say?
Then C group is boy and father, and C group is boy, mother.
Good. Yes, very good. Correct. Hands down. Okay. So we have learned about this. All right. I'm going to show you few names and going to ask you about that. Then I'm going to play you a video. Are you interested to see a video? Naisha, Inaya, and who's this Angel? Open your camera. Open your camera. Angel. Yes, Sarah. What is this, Sarah? What is this? Open your mic.
My compass.
This is your compass. But what are
Yes,
you showing? Is it he or she? Hmm?
She.
Compass is a she. The picture inside the compass box is of a girl and it is a she. Show. Tell it again. Say it again. The picture is of a princess and a princess is a she. Okay. Repeat, Sarah.
Girl. She.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay. Anybody else wants to show anything? Good, Sarah. Mic off. Okay, Aryan. Aryan, what is this? This is a card. What is there in the card? What is there in the card? Nee, show that card again. Show that card again.
बुक खोलो
What is nothing is in this card, but what is there in your left hand card? This is a read the letters. Read the letters. E-R. Joker. Over there, the Joker is a he or she. Show it to us. Joker is a he or she. See and tell it's a he or she. Yes, very good, very good. Hands down, mic off. Very good. Okay, Naisha, you want to show something? Okay. All right. So what is this? It's your compass box.
Yes.
And what do you want to share in this? Tell about it. Tell about it. What is it?
This is the compass.
The compass is he or she? Or what do you want to show in the compass? He. What is he? He is a cartoon character. He is a cartoon character. Name is Doraemon. Right? Correct? Good. Very good. Okay. Hands down. Mic off. And next is Naisha ho gayi. Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi. Yes, Shanvi.
This is my combox box.
Wait a second. Where is Shanvi? Yes, Shanvi. Say that again.
This is my combox box.
Compass box. And what do you want to show? This is compass box. Is it a he or she? Is compass box important? Or the character you're showing inside that is important? The character is important or the box is important?
Box.
Right. Box is what?
Character.
The character can be he or she. The box is a non-living thing, beta. But he or she is a living thing. Okay, you know now what is a living thing? Living thing means one who, you have learned it, one who grows, one who eats, one who drinks, one who sleeps, one who plays, one who runs, one who talks. Okay?
Yes.
One who grows, yes. So box is a not non-living thing. But the character you are showing, show the character again. Show the character quickly. And tell us about the character. Is it a he or she?
Well,
Say that quickly, quickly, quickly.
she.
Do you know the name of these characters? Snow White?
Yes.
Tell.
Snow White, Cinderella, Belle.
Belle. Who's Belle?
She's Isabel.
Isabel.
Yes.
Isabel. Acha. That's her name is Isabel. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. The Beauty and the Beast. Okay. Good. 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 All right. Yuktakshar. Yuktakshar. Then I will ask Arvi to tell. Yuktakshar, speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is this?
Spider-Man.
Ooh. Spider-Man is he or she?
He.
Man or woman?
Man.
Yes, good job. Very good. Yes, correct. Man is he. Okay. Spider woman है क्या? है, आपको नहीं पता. है. Okay, good. Then we go to RV. RV, what do you have in your hand? What do you have? Oh my God, this is Kung Fu Panda.
Yes.
Oh, oh God. Oh my God, Po is here. Just look at it, the Grandmaster. The Grandmaster Po is here. Oh God. Will you show us some tricks? Grandmaster will show us some tricks. No? Achha, you show us some tricks. Do you know karate or kung fu? Show. Okay, then show us quickly. Show us quickly. Achha, what is Kung Fu Panda? Is it he or she?
He.
Okay, and what are you?
She.
Okay, good. So Kung Fu Panda, Grandmaster Po has taught you some tricks. Now show it to all of us, please.
Yes, sir.
Show quickly. Stand and show. I hope you're wearing your lowers. Remove that Po. Remove Po and show us some tricks. Grandmaster को make him sit. अरे पटको मत, बाप रे, Grandmaster को ही पटक दिया. Oh God, my God, RV, wonderful. Good job. What a trick. Very good. Okay, hands down. Very good. Mic off. Then Liana. Liana? Yes. Oh, that is our English reader. Yes, Liana. What is it?
Is a girl.
Huh?
He's
He is a girl.
she name is Ria.
She name is Ria. She is a girl. Her name is Ria.
She is a girl. Her name is Ria.
Perfect. Very good, Liana. Very good. Good job. Yes, Satvik. Yes, Satvik. Arey, unmute yourself.
This is a Spider-Man.
This is a Spider-Man. This is Spider-Man. A Spider-Man.
It's a Spider-Man.
So, what is it? Man or woman?
It is a man.
Man. And what is man? He word or she word?
Keyword.
Excellent. Well done. Good. Nice bag. I wish you can bring this back to school and come down to school, but unfortunately, school is not on. Yes, our dear Rajveer. Unmute and tell us what do you want to show.
Ma'am, this book
Okay.
has picture is girl.
Yes, this book has a picture. It is a girl. Okay. Good job. Then girl is a he word or she word?
Keyword.
Once again.
Keyword.
Good. Very good, Rajveer. Excellent. Good job. Okay. Satvik, hands down. You're done, na? Satvik, hands down. Aryan.
मैम मुझे कराटे आता है.
Speak in English.
Karate class.
I know karate. Say I know karate. Whoa. Can you show us your kick? Can you show us your front kick? Don't kick the computer, okay? Good, very good. Aryan is not wearing a lower. Very bad. Aryan, you have to wear a lower, full. Okay? And wear your school t-shirt. Yes, Arhan. Very good, Aryan. Hands down.
This is a boy. This is a girl.
I also have the same. This is a girl and this is Arhan. Yay! Good. Have you named them, Arhan? No? Have you given them any name?
No.
No. Oh, you should name your toys. It's fun to name your toys, okay?
Sister.
To give them some name. One is Dora and one is Diago. Dora and Diago. Dora and Diago, do you remember? Have you seen them? Dora and Diago?
No.
Yes, okay. Good. Very good. All right, Angel. Hands down, Arhan. Yuktaksha, you're done. Hands down. Angel, unmute yourself. What is this? Nice Mickey Mouse. Who is he? What is it?
It is a Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse is he or she?
He.
Mickey Mouse is a he. Very good. Yes, very good. Angel, put your hands down. Yuktaksha, what do you have to say?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
I have Sonic toy.
Huh?
I have Sonic toy.
But I can see panda behind you.
I have Sonic toy.
I can't see that. I can't see your Sonic toy. You have to show it us, then only, na? Okay, chalo, good. Okay, hands down, all of you. Anybody else wants to share something?
I want to show.
Who? Name yourself.
Hanishi.
Hanishi. Okay, Prisha is also having something. Okay. Acha, after Hanishi, Prisha is going to share something. Oh my god. What is this?
Mickey and Minnie.
Who are
Mickey
they?
is a he and Minnie is a she.
How sweet. Very good.
Mickey
Mickey and Minnie. Very
Mickey
good.
and Minnie. Mickey is a he and Minnie is a she.
Hey, गड़बड़ हो गया. Once again,
He and Minnie.
Mickey is a
He.
Mickey is a he and Minnie is a
She.
good, very good.
She.
Very good. Yes, very good. Prisha, now it's your turn.
She is soft toy.
She's a soft toy. What is its name?
Her name is Minnie.
This is also a mini. Oh my god, it's very cute. Is it your favorite toy?
Yes.
Oh wow. Very nice, Prisha. Very cute.
I'm shop tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow is Acha, yesterday.
Yes.
You bought it yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, say that, repeat it. I bought it yesterday.
I got it yesterday.
Bought.
I got it yesterday.
Very good. Yes. You will learn right now. Acha, remember I told you to remember one word. Aryan, hands down, please. No more talking. Okay. A new word I gave you all. That what was that word? What was that new word?
Bio break.
Yes. What is this bio break? Who will tell me?
Bio break.
What is bio break?
Go to washroom, eat food, 10 minutes break.
Yes. So why are we saying bio break? We can say, ma'am, may I take some break? Ma'am, may I go to have water? Or it's sometimes it's not very good to say. You feel little bit shy to say, go to washroom. So what we say, can we take some bio break? Bio break means we are living beings, right? You understand we are living beings? If you understand, show me a thumbs up. If you understand we are living beings, then show me a thumbs up. Aryan, Dashputre, you're not paying attention, you're playing with your toys. Angel, Jan, I did not ask you to write anything. Hanishi, pay attention. Vihan, Chokse, if you have to leave the classroom, please leave the online meeting. You cannot keep your online meeting on and move here and there. You're inside a classroom. Okay. You all know that we are a living being, right? Living being means we have life. Life. हमारे अंदर life है, जीवन है हमारे अंदर, जीवन. हम जी रहे हैं ना? Right? When we are living, that means life is within us. And bio means life. Bio means life. What is the meaning of bio? Abdullah, put on your camera. Naisha, sit properly. Hanishi, sit straight. Yuktasha, sit straight. Hold your arms and sit properly. You know when I explain, how do you have to sit? How do you sit when I explain? How do you all sit when I explain? Angel, Liana, how do you sit when I explain you? Yes, very good, Yuktakshar. Good, Shanvi. Good, Satvik. Naisha, fold your hands. Yes. Aryan, don't jump. Yes, very good. Excellent. Wonderful class. Trisha, fold your hands and sit straight. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vihan.
I go to the washroom.
No. What do you have to say? May I?
May I go to the washroom?
May I take some bio break? Bolo. May I?
May I go?
May I take some bio break?
May I
Take some
take some
bio break?
break?
That means you're not listening what I'm explaining. I am explaining you what is bio break. Go fast and come. If you don't pay attention, how will you learn? I'm teaching you new words. Go and come soon. Okay. Bio means living. Okay. Bio means living or bio means life. And we are living things. We are living things. Right? So we need a break. Okay? Simply. So you will remember, bio break means we want to have some water, to drink, go to washroom, to feel relief. Okay? Now, Liana, why are you raising your hand?
I take a bio break.
Go fast. Come soon. But I always give you the bio break in the 10 minutes class. Why don't you take that break? Why don't you take that break? All of you? You should not go while the class is on. Quickly go and come fast. Next time, always remember, Liana, this happens many times with you. Quickly go and come. Okay. So you have now understood what is bio break. This is a new word. You have also understood what is he and she word. Okay. All right. Now I will quickly show you a small video. Are you interested to see a video?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya.
Ma'am, my card is a compost box. It's my pencil
Wow.
and it's my candle.
But these are not he and she words. I want to see he and she words. Tell me about he and she words.
She.
What she? Explain. What are the name of these she words?
Yes.
She is
Dolly.
okay.
Prince.
Princess. Okay.
Princess.
Prince means, listen all of you carefully. Prince means he. Princess means she. Satvik, Arhan, Rajveer, Vihan, Nishant, Abdullah, Aryan, Yuktakshar are all prince. Who are you? Prince. Okay, prince means Rajkumar. Okay, Rajkumar, prince. Sara, Charvi, Arvi, Shanvi, Prisha, Trisha, Hanishi, Inaya, Angel, Naisha, Liana. You all are princes. Sara, sit straight. You all are princes. Princes means Rajkumariya. You all are princes. She word. Okay? So are you all, my prince and princess, ready to see a small video? Sure? Then how should you sit? All of you, how should you sit? Angel is not interested to see the video, so I'm putting her in the waiting room. Angel is not interested to see. How should you see? My dear friends, how should you sit before you see something? How should you sit? Yes. Iana, sit straight. Okay. Be ready, all of you. Okay.
She. S-H-E. She.
Okay, so this was one video. Okay, another video is telling about the he and she. Was it nice? It was cute? Yes? Okay. The next video we'll learn about wait a second, it's loading. Okay, before yes. Okay, children. So now this is a very interesting one. So you ready? 1, 2, and share the screen.
Hi, I'm Jan Richardson.
And I'm Jack Hartman.
Let's work together and learn our sight words even better.
I love learning my sight words. I have fun with sight words. I know lots of sight words. They help me read and write. Let's learn the sight word she. Here we go. Read it out loud. She. Read it quietly. She. Read it in your head. Now look carefully and tell me, what's the missing letter? Say it before I do.
She is a girl. She is my friend. She will play with me. She will go home. She S-H-E.
The two missing letters.
She
S-8.
S-H-E. She.
Okay. One small quick video because we are about to end the session in another 2 minutes. Okay? And you will also dance together. If you want, you can dance together. Because this music is for dancing too. I know you all love dancing, right?
She S-H-E. She S-H-E. She is a girl. She is my friend. She will play with me. She will go home. She S-H-E. She S-H-E. She.
Ma'am, your mic is mute.
So you all enjoyed? Yes? Okay, good. Now this session ends. I hope you had fun and you learned. Finish your work, finish your classwork and send it to me, your homeworks. Okay? Those children who are not sending, send it to me quickly today. Bye all today. Bye-bye. See you all tomorrow. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.